Cleaning food storage equipment and area.
Jim, get me a soda from the fridge.
Right away, ma'am. Oh, come check this out.
Oh no, this is a lot of ice. I haven't defrosted this fridge for a while.
Defrosted?
It means we have to turn off the fridge for a period of time to make this chunk of ice melt away. Otherwise, its working efficiency will slow down.
Oh, I see.
And besides, we are risking spoiling our fridge.
All right. So, this is done like occasionally?
Not exactly. The fridge requires regular cleaning. Remember, we use it to keep the food fresh.
I know that. And I guess some wiping will be needed on daily basis.
Good guess. But before we get to that, always check the state of foods that you keep in the fridge and throw away any that has gone bad.
Okay.
Now, remove the containers and wash appropriately. Clean the inside of the fridge using warm soapy water, paying very special attention to the shelves. And work quickly to prevent warm air from getting into the fridge.
Why?
Because the warm air replaces the cool air that is supposed to keep our food fresh. What will happen is that the fridge compressor has to first drive out the warm air, which means more electricity.
And more monthly bills.
Exactly my point. Moving on, when done cleaning the inside, close the door and wipe the outer surface using warm soapy water. Rinse well, then dry using a clean cloth. And finally, rearrange the fridge and turn it on.
Okay. Are you going to drink all that soda by yourself?
Oh, want some? Then get that glass on top of the storage cupboard just behind you. And that reminds me, the cupboard is also a storage equipment, just like the fridge.
Oh, yes. That's right. I'm going to take a wild guess that it also requires cleaning.
Not quite wild, but yes, you are right. When cleaning the storage cupboard, remove all the items from the shelves, check the state of the foods, and throw away spoiled food if any. Wipe any stains from the door, walls, and shelves using warm soapy water. Clean the food storage containers according to the materials that they are made of.
And if we keep our food safely in these cupboards, then why do some families have food stores?
Very thoughtful indeed. You know, I was actually thinking of the same thing. I think we will put up one for us soon so that when we buy food in bulk, we can have enough space for storage. I'm afraid this drought may prolong and cause food shortages, and we therefore need to plan and be very cautious.
I get your point. Now that we are talking about it, why don't you discuss how to clean a food store? For future's sakes, you know?
No problem with that. In fact, when not cleaned regularly, it can lead to food spoilage and poisoning. Now, when doing weekly cleaning, assemble all the equipment and materials you need, discard any spoiled or expired food, clean the food containers, mop the floor with warm soapy water, rinse thoroughly, and dry with the floor cloth. Finally, clean all the equipment after use and store appropriately.
Impressive. Does the food store require special cleaning?
Of course it does. Remove all foodstuffs from the shelves. Discard any that has gone bad to prevent it from contaminating the others. Clean the walls and the windows methodically, as discussed before. Do you remember?
Of course, I do.
Good for you. Moving on, dust the shelves, Then wipe with warm soapy water and a soft pad. Rinse with warm, followed by cold water, and dry thoroughly.
Next.
Proceed to cleaning the food containers. First, empty them of any contents. Using warm soapy water and a soft cloth pad, clean them methodically. Rinse in warm and then in cold water. Dry well before refilling with fresh foods. Line the shelves with clean newspapers and arrange the containers.
How about the floor?
Follow the procedure for cleaning a floor depending on the floor type. Hey, why that look?
Because I already know what's coming.
Then get over with it. I do want to cook supper.
Sour. Alright. The fridge, cupboards, and food store help in protecting foodstuffs from spoilage and poisoning. Therefore, they all need regular and appropriate cleaning. We should always discard spoiled foods to prevent further contamination. You said that.
Yeah.
Always use warm soapy water when cleaning surfaces of food storage equipment.
Excellent. Now go do your homework. See you again at supper time.
Sour.